Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin messages on Telegram using your Android device. To get started, open the Telegram app and select the chat group or channel that contains the message you want to pin. Press and hold the message until the menu appears, then tap Pin. If you're pinning a message in a group or channel, you may see additional options, such as notifying members about the pinned message. Choose your preferred option, then tap Pin to confirm. The pinned message will appear at the top of the chat, making it easy for everyone to find important information. If you want to remove it later, tap and hold the pinned message again, then select Unpin. And that's it, you've successfully pinned a message on Telegram. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.